Welcome everyone. Today I've got the Sky Commanders, and this is evidently Commander Jack Reily. I have zero recollection of this, and this is the only one of these guys that I've got. He came with he still has the little grappling, I don't know if you call it a grappling hook thing or not. It's a hook with a little string attached to it. I guess a little bit more than a little string. Pretty big string. It keeps going. How long is this thing? That thing's elastic, and it's, I'd say, 2.5 feet long, probably, unexpanded. Can't really show it on the camera here. These guys are smaller guys. They're only sort of along the same scale as the mask figures. They are, oh, that's millimeters. I don't know what that means. He's 2.88 inches. So, but like I say, their gimmick was they had I got to wrap this thing back up. But they came with it's going up faster. Whoop. Until I got lost track, it was going up faster than it came out. Their gimmick was that it came with the sky tracks or something. I forget. I'm not sure what the terminology would be, but they get this wrapped up, and then I'll didn't think this out. Come on, get on in there. You know, let's say they could swing on their that thing there, but they came with these. Back you out a little bit more. Get everything else out of the way here. These tracks you could string up around the room. You could hook it to one thing, and then you had a loop that would sort of lock in place there, and you could snap the hook onto the other end, and you, like I say, you could have a, what do you call it? I can't remember the term. The string, and then it came with little trolley things that you could put on the string, and they could just zip line. That's what I'm trying to think of. Basically a zip line. And the characters plug into them so you could ride them along, and they could got their guns so they could fight with each other as they went. The good guys and the bad guys. And this guy, it came with 2 of the straps, evidently. And so you could, if you had to, you could strap one end to each 2 things, and I think I used to do it down our steps in the front of the house. But this he also came with the another backpack, and this was the Ascender backpack. Had more string inside of it, but for those of you who are familiar with Web Store from Master of the Universe, you pull the bottom, and he would climb. If I can get enough on it and go. The camera probably won't focus on this. Coming at you. And other than that, I remember the function of them, but I didn't get much play value out of these. I don't think it was a long-lasting toy line. Because I only got this is the only one I have. I don't know if this is 2 different sets, and this is the only Survivor, or if this all came in one set. But it couldn't have been a very high dollar toy, because they did the smaller figures, not very posable, not very, it's got the arms and legs and his head. I think his head turns too. But like I say, that it was fun, and the commercials made it look really good. But with all that being said, I don't have much more to say about him. It was a neat little toy. This is the only one of them that I've got left, and I enjoyed it. I guess I must have, because I didn't throw it away or break it, which is more likely what I would have done. But anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. There's plenty more to go where this came from, and we'll finish up this sort of random week tomorrow. It's going to be a twofer. Got 2 figures I'm going to show off tomorrow, and then we'll move on to, I think I'm going to go back to G.I. Joe next week. But that's next week. We'll worry about that then. Have a good one, folks.